Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. The Porsche Cayenne has long defined the performance SUV segment, blending sports car DNA with everyday usability. For 2026, Porsche takes the Cayenne to new heights, sharpening its design, boosting efficiency, and packing in more technology, while never losing sight of its core identity as the SUV that drives like a Porsche on the outside. The 2026 Cayenne evolves with precision rather than revolution. The front fascia adopts slimmer matrix LED headlights, now available with Porsche's next-generation HD matrix beam technology for razor-sharp illumination. A wider grille design, paired with re-sculpted intakes, enhances cooling and gives the SUV a more aggressive stance. The rear gets a cleaner look with a full-width light bar integrated seamlessly into the tailgate, echoing Porsche's sports car lineup. Aerodynamic refinements, like flush door handles and optimized rooflines, improve efficiency without compromising presence. Step inside, and the cabin feels more futuristic than ever. Porsche's driver-centric cockpit evolves with a curved 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster, an upgraded central 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and an available passenger-side display for navigation and media. Premium materials, from natural leather to Racetex microfiber, create an upscale yet sporty environment. Expect expanded personalization through Porsche exclusive manufacture, letting buyers tailor everything from stitching to trim in true Porsche fashion. Rear passengers enjoy improved seating comfort, enhanced climate control zones, and USB-C connectivity. Throughout, under the skin, Porsche engineers refine the Cayenne's powertrains for even greater performance and sustainability. Expect the lineup to include updated turbocharged V6 and V8 engines with mild hybrid assistance, alongside enhanced plug-in hybrid variants offering up to 50 miles of all-electric driving. Rumors swirl about a range-topping Cayenne Turbo SE hybrid, pushing well beyond 700 horsepower, cementing its place as one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. Porsche's all-wheel drive system, active suspension management, and rear axle steering ensure that the Cayenne continues to deliver sports car agility wrapped in SUV practicality. Pricing is expected to start around $85,000, with high-performance trims reaching well into six figures. Whether it's the refined standard Cayenne, the stylish coupe, or the blistering Turbo SE hybrid, the 2026 Porsche Cayenne represents the perfect fusion of luxury, technology, and true Porsche performance. More powerful, more advanced, and more connected, the Cayenne continues to set the benchmark for what a performance SUV should be.